Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the Agave americana, also known as the century plant, maguey, or American aloe. I recently was given some blue agave pops. I kept them in water for a couple of days, and I'm planting them in the soil today. Hello planty friends, this is Marta with the Living Backyard. These are not permanent pots, it's just so that they are not in the water for too long. We are planning to create a large flower bed, trying not to have a lot of grass, but we're not ready yet, so it will take us a while, and these pots will be good for a good time. There are over 200 different types of agave plants, and several are considered blue agave. I'm not quite sure which one blue agave these baby plants are, but they can grow really large. If you happen to know what type of blue agave these pops are, let me know in the comments. I went to Google and Wikipedia, but I'm not quite sure what exactly these are. They can make tequila out of agave, but do you know that they also make rope and baskets and agave nectar and a type of sweetener and also paper? I didn't know that. From the roots of some species of agave, you can find a gelatinous substance used to make soap. Also, some of the tender parts, like flowers and buds of the agave plant, can be eaten. They can survive in many different types of soils. They like sandy soil that can get rid of the water quickly. They don't like a lot of water. They don't like to sit in water. So I'm mixing some organic stuff with sand in the hopes that they're going to be growing happy until I'm ready to plant them. It grows in the zones from 5 to 11, and it is native to Mexico and the United States in Texas. Besides tequila, there's another beverages out of the agave called pulque and mezcal. Agave is a great plant for many things, but I'm only planning to have them for their beauty.